Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best iMac screen protector is probably one of the most essential accessories you can get for your beloved Apple desktop, safeguarding its stunning Retina display from the everyday wear and tear that can quickly diminish its pristine clarity and aesthetic appeal. In a world where our iMacs are central hubs for work, creativity, and entertainment, investing in a high-quality screen protector isn't just a luxury, it's a practical necessity to maintain the visual integrity and longevity of your device, ensuring that every pixel remains as vibrant and sharp as the day you unboxed it. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, 2-pack. Introducing our premium microfiber cleaning cloths, designed to tackle dust, oil, and smudges. They leave surfaces spotless, without any scratches or streaks. Perfect for your eyeglasses, these cloths ensure your vision is always clear. They are a great gift for anyone who wears glasses. Keep all your screens looking their best. From phone screens to TV displays, our cloths are the ideal solution for a perfect clean. Each cloth is individually packaged to ensure it's always fresh and ready for use. They are conveniently sized for everyday cleaning needs. These cloths are safe for all your delicate surfaces. Use them on electronics, lenses, mirrors, and more without worry. Discover the difference our microfiber cloths can make. They provide magical results for the items you care about most. What we like. This is your go-to for a quick and effective clean. If you need a simple, reliable way to wipe down screens, lenses, or glasses without leaving any residue, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for everyday smudges and dust. What people say. They absorb well and leave surfaces streak-free. I can clean my eyeglasses easily and completely, no smudges or streaks. They're a nice size and the cloth is substantial and durable, not thin or flimsy. Number 4. Altura Photo Screen Cleaner Spray and Wipe Kit. Keep your screens looking pristine with our advanced cleaning solution. It's designed to be tough on smudges but gentle on all your electronic surfaces. This cleaner is safe for all types of screens, including LCD, LED, OLED, and touchscreens. You can confidently clean your laptops, monitors, TVs, and even car displays. Using it is simple, just spray the solution onto the microfiber cloth and wipe your screen. Achieve a spotless shine with minimal effort. Our cleaning solution is completely free of alcohol and ammonia, ensuring no damage or harsh residues are left behind. It's a safe and effective way to maintain your devices. The kit comes with 2 high-quality microfiber cloths. They are perfect for achieving a streak-free finish and are reusable for long-term use. Whether it's your computer, TV, or car display, this kit provides the perfect solution for a clear and clean viewing experience. What we like. For a comprehensive cleaning experience, this kit is excellent. If you're looking for a solution that tackles tougher grime and ensures a spotless finish on all your electronic screens, this is the one. It's perfect for maintaining the pristine look of your devices. What people say. It does a great job on pretty much anything that has a screen or glass. Effortless clean for tough fingerprints. Doesn't even compare to traditional window cleaner. A large cloth, small cloth, and bottle of the spray, all nicely tucked into an attractive black tube that can be used to keep all the pieces together. Number 3. FILMEXT 27-inch Privacy Screen for Apple Studio Display, 2-pack. Introducing the FILMEXT 27-inch Privacy Screen, designed exclusively for your Apple Studio Display. This pack includes 2 high-quality protectors to safeguard your device. Our advanced privacy technology limits the viewing angle to 30 degrees, ensuring your sensitive information is only visible to you. Prevent unwanted glances in any environment. These protectors effectively block harmful blue light and UV rays, reducing eye fatigue and promoting visual comfort during long work sessions. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with our bubble-free, edge-sealant installation. They attach securely and can be removed easily whenever needed. Perfect for various settings like offices, cafes, or while traveling, it ensures your passwords and personal content remain confidential. For the best privacy effect, adjust your screen brightness between 50 to 75%. Stronger sunlight can also enhance the privacy feature. Each pack includes 2 privacy screens, microfiber cleaning cloths, and installation kits for a complete setup. What we like. This is designed for ultimate privacy and eye comfort. If you work in public spaces or handle sensitive information, this filter is essential. It shields your screen from prying eyes and reduces eye strain from blue light. What people say. Installation took seconds and fit my Surface Pro 7 perfectly without any issues. The anti-glare is good. I haven't noticed any glare at all. It also works great as a privacy screen protector. You can barely see the outline of major shapes from the sides, but you won't be able to see anything easily without staring obviously very hard at the screen. Number 2. iMac 27-inch anti-blue light screen protector. Are you struggling with sleep or eye strain from screen time? This protector is designed to help filter out harmful blue light, offering relief for students, office workers, and anyone who spends hours in front of a computer. Featuring an innovative 8-layer design, it effectively blocks hazardous UV and blue light, along with electromagnetic radiation. This advanced protection helps reduce eye fatigue and supports better sleep patterns. Enjoy a comfortable viewing experience even in bright conditions. Its matte coating reduces glare and light reflection, preventing visual interference without compromising clarity. Keep your screen pristine with ease. The advanced oleophobic coating repels oil, sweat, and water, allowing for simple cleaning with just a cloth to keep it looking like new. We stand by our product with a 180-day worry-free guarantee. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This protector focuses on safeguarding your eyes. If you spend long hours in front of your computer and experience eye fatigue or sleep disturbances, this is a must-have. It filters harmful light and reduces glare for a more comfortable viewing experience. What people say. The screen protector is easy to install and has a good fit. It effectively reduces glare and fingerprints. The clarity of the screen is maintained after installation. Number 1. Peslv Magnetic Privacy Screen for MacBook Air 13.6 13-inch. Introducing the Peslv Magnetic Privacy Screen, designed for your MacBook Air 13.6 and 13-inch models. It offers exceptional privacy for your sensitive data, perfect for use in offices, cafes, or during travel. Installation is a breeze with our innovative magnetic design. Simply align the reinforced magnetic strip with your screen's bezel and press gently for a secure fit in seconds. No more complicated setups. Experience unparalleled privacy with a viewing angle limited to approximately 30 degrees. This ensures that only you can see your screen, safeguarding your information from prying eyes. Crafted with high-quality materials, it effectively reduces blue light and UV rays by up to 95% and 92% respectively. The matte, anti-glare surface also protects your eyes from reflected light and guards your screen against scratches. Enjoy a true-to-life, high-definition viewing experience. Its 1-to-1 restoration ensures a perfect fit, and the strong magnetic strip keeps it securely in place, providing unparalleled picture quality. This privacy filter is easily removable and comes with a convenient storage clip. Take it with you wherever you go and use it whenever you need to protect your screen's privacy. What we like. Experience seamless privacy with this innovative magnetic protector. If you value convenience and a secure fit without complicated installation, this is for you. It offers excellent privacy and clarity, perfect for frequent travelers or those in shared workspaces. What people say. The matte texture really gets rid of glare. The texture works well with the pencil, though I am not an artist. It feels remarkably like paper when using it. The viewing angle is slim, providing maximum privacy. The top is magnetic, the bottom has some sticky stuff that holds it in place. I can tell the blue light is far less than before, which is the main reason I bought it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.